5 fun and surprising facts about birds that you might not know. 1. Crows can recognize human faces. Crows are incredibly smart. They can remember individual human faces, hold grudges, and even pass knowledge to other crows. 2. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. Their unique wing structure allows them to hover like helicopters and move in any direction, even upside down for a moment. 3. Penguins propose with pebbles. Male Adelie. Penguins search for the smoothest, most perfect pebble to offer to a female. If she accepts it, it's basically a yes to mating, like a natural engagement ring. 4. Some birds sleep while flying. Certain species, like the alpine swift, can sleep mid-flight during long migrations by shutting off one half of their brain at a time. 5. Lyrebirds can imitate chainsaws, car alarms, and cameras. Native to Australia, lyrebirds are master mimics. They've been recorded copying dozens of sounds, including construction noise and camera shutters, with shocking accuracy.